In a world where wellness is paramount and people are seeking natural remedies for health and vitality, green tea stands out as a champion among beverages. Renowned for its refreshing taste and a myriad of health benefits, green tea has been cherished for centuries in various cultures, particularly in East Asia. From boosting metabolism to promoting mental clarity, the advantages of green tea are as diverse as they are profound. Here's a concise list highlighting the advantages of green tea. Antioxidant Powerhouse, loaded with catechins, particularly EGCG, green tea fights oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular ailments. Weight management, boosts metabolism and fat oxidation, aiding in weight loss efforts without the jittery side effects of coffee. Cognitive enhancement, the combination of caffeine and L-theanine improves alertness, concentration, memory, and mood regulation. Anti-inflammatory properties, helps alleviate symptoms of inflammation-related ailments like arthritis and autoimmune disorders. Skincare benefits, contains polyphenol and vitamins that combat aging, reduce acne, and promote radiant, youthful skin. Heart health, lowers bad cholesterol levels, improves artery function, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cancer prevention, regular consumption is associated with lower incidences of various types of cancer. Mental well-being, promotes relaxation and stress reduction, enhancing overall mental health. Dental health, contains antibacterial properties that may help prevent cavities and gum disease. Digestive health, supports gut health and aids digestion, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal disorders. Immune system boost, strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Hydration, provides a refreshing and hydrating alternative to sugary beverages. Environmental sustainability, green tea production involves minimal processing and often embraces organic farming practices, contributing to environmental conservation. Versatility, can be enjoyed hot or cold, plain or flavored, making it a versatile and customizable beverage option. Accessible and affordable, widely available in various forms, from loose leaves to convenient tea bags, at reasonable prices. Incorporating green tea into one's daily routine can offer a plethora of health benefits, promoting overall well-being and vitality.